Hello everyone. Good morning. Today we will discuss how to develop data entry skill in Stata by using menu bar only. So not using any kinds of syntax, Stata syntax. So only menu bar. So for this, we need to go data and then go to data editor and then data editor edit option, and if we click here then we can see one interface, and it is you can assume that it is similar to the Excel spreadsheet, but there is a lot of difference between Excel spreadsheet and Stata data view. So how to create variable from the menu bar? So for creating variable for creating variable, we have to go tools option, and then we have to go add variable option, and then we can write here the variable short name. So the variable name, uh, let's say we would like to create participant ID variable, so this is the PID variable, and our ID variable is started from 1001 to 1100. So we have 100 participant. So it is the 4-digit integer ID variable. So for this reason, we have to select either integer or long, um, uh, because the byte, integer, and long, these three type of variable for the integer variable. So if you have any decimal place in your observation, then you have to select float or double. So but I cannot select byte option, because byte only for the 2-digit or less than that. If your variable need only 2-digit or 1 digit, then you can one integer digit or two integer digit, then you can select byte. Other than that, you can't. Uh, and if you select integer, then you can enter three. You can enter up to 5 digit. And if your observation is more than 5 digit, then you have to select long format, long variable type. But you have to keep in mind that these three types, byte, integer, and long, these three types only for the integer variable. Decimal place is not accepted here. So I'm selecting integer, and then I need to put here field with missing data, because if we click here, then we will get the blank variable. So if we click OK, then we will get PID, and this PID variable is completely blank, and we can give entry here. And this is the variable properties. So if you click here, then you can see variable properties, and in this properties you can add also variable full name. So I'm adding full name for this participant ID. And now, if we want to create another one variable, date of interview variable, then we have to go again add variable, and then we have to give short name DOI, or it stands for date of interview. And then, of course, we have to select the variable types. As we know, date of interview, date variable contain more than five decimal, more than five uh, digit. So we have to select long and then we have to click OK. So this is the date of interview variable. And again, as it is the date variable, then we have to we have to set up the format. For date variable, it can start it from day, then month, then year, or it could be month, day, year, or it could be year, month, days. So it could be in many format. So we have to select we have to select our format. What would be our format? So for this reason, we have to go daily option, and then here you can see lot of samples. So I would like to select first one, and then I have to customize here. So we have to delete T, no need to put here T, only date. For date D is okay, and then D. We have to write here capital D. Capital D means day comes first. And then we have to write underscore and then a small m, and then we have to write small y variable. That means our format is first two digit is date, and second three character is month, and last four character is year. So if we click OK, then the date variable would be formatted. And again, we have to put another one variable. Let's say we would like to add age variable. So here we have to write the name name of variable is in month. Uh, our study participant is under 5 children, so that is why we kept is information in month. So we have to select again the variable type. So as month can have the decimal point, so decimal place. We have to select either float or double. So I am selecting float, and then we have to we have to click again OK. So here is variable is generated. And now we can change the format. We can fix the format. So here, this is the option. If you want, you can change the total digit, how many digit is needed. For an example, for age variable, we need 6 total digit, and then we have to set the decimal point. So we would like to take two up to 2 decimal point, and then I'm putting here 2. And we need to click the fixed numeric radio button so that two decimal place can be fixed. And then we have to click OK, and it is formatted. And then we would like to add another one variable. This variable is the sex variable. And sex variable in our questionnaire, male coded as 1 and female coded as 2. So here the sex variable contain only single digits, so single and also integer digits. So that is why the byte would be appropriate, as I mentioned earlier. So in byte, variable types contain only 2 or less than that, 2 digit or less than that. So here byte variable types would be appropriate for sex variable. So now if we click OK, then the sex variable would be generated. Now we have to put the value level. So how can we put value level from the menu bar? If we want to put value level from the menu bar, then we have to go again tools, and then we have to go the value level, and we have to go manage value level, and then we have to click create level, and we need to put the level name. So let's say the level name uh, sex level, LB, sex level. And then we have to put one. One stands for male, as I mentioned earlier, and two stands for female. If we put OK, and then again we have to close it, and then we have to go data option, and then we have to go variable manager, and then we have to select sex, and we have to select here the sex level value level. We have to select the value level here, and then we have to put we have to click apply, and we can close it now. So it is already generated. Now I am putting, or I am entering one data to check it out whether it is really working or not. So this is the first ID 1001, and the date variable is 26 AUZ August 2026. And then we have to put age. Let's say age is 30 month or 30.5 month, and then we have to put here sex. So let's say it is the male participant, so we have to put 1. So this is the male participant. So this is the way of generating data entry format, and we can enter data here. And finally, we have to save it. So I think like you can you know how to save it. Thank you for today.